Position here. So today, basically, I want to just show you how I find my setups, okay, based on my strategy for GBP USD, Euro USD, and any of the other Forex pairs, including the commodities like gold and so on. Now, what I do first of all is every week, every single week, I do my top-down analysis, all right, based on all the time frames that are key time frames, from the monthly to the weekly to the daily, 4 hour, hourly, 15 minutes. All right. I check all those time frames before I am able to predict where the market wants to go for that week. Okay. Now, and every day I come to the market and I look at the daily time frame first. So on the daily time frame, you can see that price has retraced to the 50 EMA, which is this brown line. And you can also see that we've been in an uptrend. And the uptrend simply means that there are impulses to the upside and then retracements to the downside. So it has been retracing for a number of weeks, and it has retraced to this order block area here, which is an area where it's possible for it to reverse and continue to the upside. But we're going to wait for confirmation before we actually think that we're going to be buying this week. Okay. So how do we confirm? We confirm by going to the smaller time frame, like the 1 hour time frame or the 15-minute time frame, and we have to see a change of character where price starts to break to higher highs and higher lows instead of continuing the lower lows and lower highs that we have been seeing. All right, so after looking at the daily chart, I just go to the 1 hour chart and I look at what's going on there. Price has been going up. Now, this morning, as the London session opened, one thing I saw was that, let's go to the 15 minutes here, or let's stay on the 5 minutes, okay? Now I noticed that there was liquidity at this level here where you see this white dots. Now price came in, the market opened, and price kept falling from that point, and it fell here at 8 a.m., fell here, and then immediately got to this level here where it reached these liquidity points here. It had a sharp reaction to that level. Now I'll show you on the 1 minute time frame. This is it here. So we can see that the 1 minute chart just had this bullish reaction and moved up and formed like an engulfing candle, which is bigger than the previous two candles. Okay, that gave me a sign that that is exactly where the market makers were trying their efforts to take price to before they made the move that they wanted to make for the day. All right, now as soon as that happened, I knew it was time to buy. And you take a buy from here, and then you target what was the Tokyo session high, which was around 134.486.